I'm still not sure about letting the passengers steer the ship.
You've got to trust them, Ted. We've always trusted the children, and look how they've turned out.
Yes, exactly, my love.
I'm sure they're being very sensible and concentrating on the job. Come on, Ted. I'm sure the ship is being well looked after.
Well, just keep looking out there for icebergs.
Have a nice cup of tea and stop worrying.
I'm sure there's something odd.
Relax, Ted.
I know what it is. We're going backwards. And I told the penguin to keep looking forwards.
Well, I'm sure it won't be a problem.
Abandoned ship. Abandoned ship. Don't panic, Bradley. Abandoned ship!
Hang on, Bradley. I've checked down below and there's no damage.
We're not sinking.
No! Take more than an iceberg to sink this old ship.
We'd better count the crew and passengers, though. Make sure everyone's all right.
Good idea. There should be 26 people and animals altogether.
Well, luckily the ship isn't damaged, and the number crew are just checking that everyone on board is all right. And what's the number they're looking for? 26.
I've only managed to count 3 animals and me. That makes 4.
4. I've counted loads more. I've counted 22.
Okay, I'll add them up.
4 add 22.
Or 22 add 4. Hang on. You can't just swap the numbers round like that. Can you?
Well, can you swap the numbers around if you're doing adding? Let's have a look. 22 plus 4 equals what? Well, one way to do it is to use your fingers. We'll start at 22 and count on 4 more. You ready? 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Hooray! Well, at least we know that all the passengers and crew are safe. But what if Bradley had have done the sum the other way around? Is 22 plus 4 the same as 4 plus 22? It's only one way to find out. We're going to have to use our fingers again. So we'll start from 4 and count on 22 more. You ready? Oh, hang on. I'm going to need some extra fingers for this, aren't I? Okay, here we go. Fellas, can I use your help for a second? Yep, over here. There you go. Right, get yourselves into position. Lovely. Okay, we're going to start from 4 and count on 22 more. Are you ready? So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes! It's exactly the same answer, isn't it? Mind you, it took a lot longer that time, didn't it? And not everyone's got as many hands as I have. All right, off you go, fellas. Thanks a lot. See ya. Go on then. Bye-bye. So, 26. But it makes it a lot easier if you put the bigger number first and count on from that. And of course, if you're doing adding sums, you can always swap the numbers around and the answer's exactly the same.
Adding can be done in any order. You can swap the numbers round, it's up to you. Oh yes, you can be sure that 22 add 4 is just the same as 4 add 22. Yes, adding can be done in any order. You can swap the numbers round, it's up to you. Choose the best way, not the worst. Put the bigger number first. It means you've got less counting on to do.
So, have you got the idea? Save yourself the time and the trouble. Don't count on from the small number. 4 plus 22 is 26. That's much too big a jump to make. Instead, start from the bigger number and count on from that. 22 plus 4 is 26. It's a much smaller jump to make. Oh, and by the way, don't worry about those hands. They're harmless. Harmless. Anyway, the good news is that all the passengers on board the ship are safe and sound. Mind you, the Penguin must be feeling a bit sad that she crashed the ship into the iceberg. I tell you what, that Penguin, she must be feeling really bad.
Now what's going on?
They're skiing.
How did that happen? I made her first run 10 seconds.
You'll have to add on her score in the second run, though.
I bet she'll be even faster on her second run.
Maybe. Unless she starts showing off.
That took 16 seconds.
Add the two scores together then.
That's 10 plus 16.
Or to do it the easy way,
16 plus 10.
16 add 10 is 26. You see, if you're doing adding sums, you can always swap the numbers round to make it easier.
Adding can be done in any order. You can swap the numbers round, it's up to you. Oh yes, you can be sure that 22 add 4 is just the same as 4 add 22. Yes, adding can be done in any order. You can swap the numbers round, it's up to you. Choose the best way, not the worst. Put the bigger number first. It means you've got less counting on to do.
OK, one last bit of adding for you to do, because the number crew have only just remembered to count some other creatures on board.
Oh, we'd forgotten to count the number bugs.
I've counted 7.
I've counted 90.
Oh, and baby Bunting's counted 3.
7, add 90, add 3. Oh, how many does that make?